that smells so good. Someone's making something delicious around here.
Lumi, can you help me with something?
Sure, Mom. What do you need?
I made fresh kimchi pancakes this morning. Could you take some to Grace next door?
Of course! Grandma Grace loves your cooking. Can I have another pancake before she leaves? Please?
Noah, you already had 3 pieces.
But they smell too good. I'll save you one when I come back. You promise? I promise.
Be careful carrying the plate.
Don't worry, Mom. I've got it. Tell Daon I said hi and give him a big hug for me, okay? Okay, I will do that.
Oh my goodness, Lumi! What a lovely surprise this morning.
Hi, Grandma. My mom made some kimchi pancakes for you.
Oh, she's always so thoughtful. Please come inside.
Hi, Daon. You look extra fluffy today. Noah says hi, too.
He had a bath yesterday, and now he thinks he's handsome.
He's always handsome. And today he looks even cuter. Yes, he does.
Let's eat before the pancakes get cold.
Wow. They still smell amazing.
Your mother cooks with so much love.
She says food tastes better when shared.
She's absolutely right. These spring mornings make me hungry.
I like mornings like this too. Everything feels so peaceful.
Right. They feel peaceful and slow.
Grandma, look at Daon.
He probably hears something outside.
Pizza delivery!
I hope you are hungry. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
I prick up my ears and let my imagination run wild.
These pancakes are still so crispy.
Your mother always makes the best kimchi pancakes.
Should we make some tea too?
Yes! That sounds perfect.
Daon, Do you want a little snack too?
Is Daon here, Grandma?
Huh?
He was here a second ago. Where did he go?
Daon? Where are you, sweetie?
I can't see him anywhere.
Maybe he went to the kitchen. He's always looking for snacks.
Daon, where are you? Come here, sweetie.
Grandma, he's not inside the house.
Oh dear, this is strange. Daon would never leave without a sound.
Wait, the front door is slightly open. Oh no! Did Daon go outside?
Oh no, we need to find him quickly.
I think Daon went outside.
Oh my God! Daon! Come back!
Oh my goodness! What should we do? I can't see him anywhere.
Oh no. He may have gone farther away. What if he gets lost out there?
I'll go look around the neighborhood.
Be careful, Lumi.
Mom! Something terrible happened. Daon disappeared.
Oh dear, what happened?
We can't find him anywhere. I'm starting to get really worried. Oh no. Daon! Where could he have gone?
Let's help Grace find him. We can't give up yet.
I'm making posters right now. Maybe they'll help people find Daon. Name, Daon. Age, 3 years old. Brown and white fur. Big, beautiful eyes. Always wagging his tail. Don't forget floppy ears. Right, floppy ears too. Write our phone number clearly. Finished! Let's go! Excuse me, we lost our dog. Can I put a poster here, please?
Oh, that's too bad. Of course. I hope you find him soon.
Thank you so much. Please call us if you see a dog like him. I'll tape one near the bus stop. Good idea. Please, can you help us find him? Our dog is lost. I'll see what I can do.
Oh my goodness! Is this Grace's dog? Is this Grace's dog?
Yes, have you seen him?
Oh no, I'm sorry, I haven't seen him yet, but I'll keep watching for him.
Thank you. If you see a similar dog, please contact us.
puppy Daon. Where did you go? Daon? Daon! Please come out, Daon. Where are you, my friend?
I saw a small dog earlier. Are you looking for your dog?
Oh my gosh! Did it look like this?
Excuse me, sir. Could you please tell me where the dog went? I can't find him anywhere.
I saw him heading toward the market street.
Oh my goodness! My little puppy! Thank you so much!
We have to put more up quickly. I hope someone sees him.
We will. I'll put this one right here.
Let's check near the Market Street again. Market Street again.
Okay. Maybe someone saw him there.
It's starting to rain. We have to find Daon quickly.
Oh no, poor Daon must be so scared. This weather is getting worse. I hope Daon stays safe and warm.
Oh my gosh, poor Dawn. He must be really scared right now.
I hope he isn't alone.
Let's go home. Maybe Daon is already there.
Oh, I really hope so. Please let him be safe. He's not just a dog. He's family to me.
Don't worry, Grandma. We'll bring him back.
Huh? Little guy, what are you doing out here? You've been following motorcycles all day, haven't you? You're soaking wet.
Wait. This dog looks familiar. Oh! You're Daon. Don't worry, buddy. Let's get you home safely.
It's too quiet without Daon.
I keep thinking he'll come running through the door.
He must be cold and scared out there.
Don't worry, Grandma. We'll find him somehow.
The house feels empty without him. I miss hearing his little footsteps already.
Wait. Do you hear that?
What is it? What do you hear?
Excuse me, is this Daon? Daon?
Oh my God, Daon, my sweet puppy.
He's so happy to see you.
We found him just outside. Oh no, he's completely soaking wet.
He kept following motorcycles around the neighborhood.
Oh, you poor dear. Thank you so much for bringing him home.
I recognized him right away from the posters. He was running near the park.
Oh, you did? Oh my goodness.
Oh, thank you so much. You brought my family back to me.
We were all so worried about him.
Thank you for bringing him home.
I'm glad I could help.
He's such a loyal little dog, isn't he?
My sweet Daon. I thought I lost you forever.
Transforming every single loss.
Daon, you scared everybody so much. Come inside quickly before you catch a cold.
I don't know how to thank all of you. Tonight could have been the loneliest night of my life.
We're neighbors. Let's tell Mom and Noah. They must be worried.
You kids are so kind. You didn't just find Daon, you comforted me too.
Daon belongs with family.
And all of you feel like family to me now.
The walls are falling down.
Tonight, this house finally feels warm again. As long as Daon is here, I won't feel alone anymore.
And Daon isn't going anywhere ever again.